All right, hello again. I'm gonna do a short hour and a half long dash just because I'm kind of tired from earlier today. Other things in life, whatever.
Who the hell cares?
It is a little after 7. I wanted to do exactly 7 o'clock to like 8:30, and we'll see how much money we can make. It is Monday. Monday. Not the weekend, but the map was very busy, and there was a $2 plus charge thing on it, whatever you call it, on top of that. So yeah, and as soon as I saw it on, I got this one, which is for $7, and it is 5 miles. I just picked up the order from Panera Bread. It was ready pretty much as soon as I got in there. It was already on the shelf. I did decline 2 add-on orders. One of them was pretty good. It was a Taco Bell. It was $8, and it was only for like an additional like 300 feet or something. So I'm assuming they were both in the same complex. But I just don't feel like doing doubles today. So I think I'm only gonna do singles.
Why the fuck you lying?
Unless it's like really good. I just dropped off that order, and I'm getting another one for $8 and 4 miles. So I'm gonna accept, obviously. So far, so good. About 15 minutes in and on my second order already. And my windshield is fogging up for some reason. I don't know why. Hopefully I can get a few more in before this hour and a half thing is over. And yeah. I wanted to show something real quick. Wait, let's try to do this view. Will this work? Okay. Was it Saturday night, like around 8:30, 9 p.m.? Like the app glitched out for a lot of people. Yeah, I was picking up a double order for Burger King, and I got to the Burger King and wanted to swipe that I arrived, and it was just like not letting me swipe at all. And I tried like 5 or 6 times, and then I was like, great, the app is probably glitching out. What I did was, I don't know how many people know this, but if the app does glitch, and this only works in special situations, and if you're not in this situation, then if you can get out of the trip, then get out of it, but you probably can't because the app is glitching. If the app is like frozen on the main interface, this button up here usually always works, and you can just go down to the person's name, and their address will still come up like right here. And then you can at least get their address and then enter it into like Google Maps. And then hopefully, which is what happened to me, is I went down, used the menu like I usually do when the app glitches, because I figured it out. Put their address in Google's Maps.
What?
Put the address in Google Maps. By the time I got there, the app like unfroze. So what I did was I basically kind of had to drive back to the Burger King anyway. So when I got to the Burger King, I swiped that I picked it up, and then swiped that I delivered it, even though I didn't really drive anywhere, but I did, so yeah, it only works in very specific situations like that. All right, I just picked up the second order. It was ready pretty much when I walked into the restaurant. And yeah, this person's not even that far away, so hopefully I can get another one almost immediately, because I'm driving basically to the hot zone again. Remember when I said I wasn't gonna do double orders unless it was really good? This one was actually decent. It's $16 and it's 6 miles. It's 2 different restaurants, but they're both right next to each other. I'm at the hotel where I just dropped off the last order, and the Five Guys, it's Five Guys in KFC, and the Five Guys is literally right there. And then the KFC is just down there somewhere. So, whatever. All right, picked up the Five Guys. It was ready when I walked in. Sometimes they're good. All I hear is stories of like, you have to wait forever for the fries because they don't cook the fries in the bag and all that stuff. And I think the reason why this one was probably ready so quickly was because the person just ordered burgers. So, yeah. He just handed me the bag when I walked in, and I'm almost there like all the time anyway, so they all know me, which is, I don't know if that's good or bad. Well, would you look at this? I picked up the KFC and I picked up the Five Guys in like less than 5 minutes. Best double order I've probably taken in a very long time. I think it's because it's Monday and it's also raining, so not many people are ordering. Well, I don't know, maybe they are. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.
Okay.
We're off to drop these off. So I just dropped off that, third order. and I got another one for $8.25 for Taco Bell. It's just 2 things, and it was like 5 miles. So I took it, and I also got a $5 cash tip from that last drop off, the KFC one. So that's good. Oh damn! I just realized that I can't go inside because it's after 8 o'clock.
No! No!
Is the drive-through line long? Oh no, it doesn't look like it. Okay, good. Because I was really about to cancel this because I completely forgot at 8 o'clock they closed the dining room. Oh look, there's nobody here. Perfect. But yeah. Let me figure out what this person's name is before I pull up to the drive-thru. So I just picked up the Taco Bell order. Apparently the dining room was open. I got to the drive-thru window and told the person what name I was picking up for, and she's like, "Oh, the dining room is open. We only do DoorDash inside." And I was like, "Oh, okay, cool, thanks." Even though I was like the only one in the drive-thru, and you could have just gave me the food, but whatever, you know. I'm not gonna get angry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
It's fine. So now I know that the dining room's open until 10 p.m. now. So there's that. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this one off and maybe get one more. I don't know. The area that I'm dropping off in is not really known for orders, so I don't know if I'll get another one there. I'll probably have to drive back down a little bit, but we'll see. I just dropped off the Taco Bell order and I got another one for $8.25 again for 5 or 6, I think it was 6 miles. And it's also at a place I haven't been to before, at least I don't think. I've never heard of the name. It's about 4 minutes away. This will probably be the last one I take because this rain is annoying, and I also stepped in a ginormous puddle. So like my left foot is soaked and my right foot is dry, and it's really unpleasant. I just finished dropping off the final order. I called it quits for once, for real this time. When I said I was going to do an hour and a half, I did an hour and a half. Let's go to what you really care about. You probably figured it out anyway if you were watching the whole way through. $52.50. Woo! That's pretty good. So yeah, $52.50, and you can see I did an hour and see, I had 2 more minutes. I could have did something. Not too bad. That's pretty good. That's like more than $40 an hour, right? Math. Actually it's 57 because like I said earlier in the video, somebody gave me shabam $5 cash tip. So I did $57.50 in 1.5 hours. And funny enough, the map still says it's very busy, so I'm tempted, but also I'm not because this weather is not great. Thank you for watching this very short DoorDash session. I can never say that. It's like a tongue twister. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Adios. See you later.